Hey, if you're a crocheter or a knitter, you need to know about this hack for the Kindle Paperwhite and the Kindle tablets. So if you're like me as a crocheter and a knitter, you're getting awesome patterns to work from online. Now, most of the time, those patterns are in a PDF file format. So what do? Maybe you print it out and then you've got all these papers to carry around. Well, there's actually a super easy way to get your PDF crochet knitting patterns onto your Kindle tablet. It makes it so easy because your Kindle Paperwhite or Kindle tablet is so lightweight, you can take it anywhere with you and your patterns will be right there. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's a really simple process. The main key is that you have to find the dedicated email address for your tablet. You probably didn't even know that your specific Kindle tablet has its own dedicated email address allowing you to send patterns and other files, because maybe you do stuff besides crochet and knitting, to your Kindle Paperwhite or your Kindle tablet. So I'm going to walk you through the steps for how to find that email address, how to send a pattern to your tablet, and I'm going to even show you an extra bit of information so you can make sure that that email goes through and is accepted. So let's get started. First, you'll need to find the dedicated email address for your Kindle or Kindle Paperwhite. Go to the Amazon homepage, look for the account and lists at the top, and scroll down under your account to the option for devices. Click Devices. This page will show your Amazon devices, including the Kindle that you want to send your patterns to. Just click on the device, and some more information about it is going to pop up. You'll notice that the name of the device is a link. Click on that to get the more detailed information. Now you're going to see the device summary with a lot of different information, including the dedicated email address for you to use to send email documents to your device. So you're going to want to copy that email address down. Now you can go to your email outbox, paste that into the To field, attach the file that you want to send with your knitting or crochet pattern. You don't even have to put a subject, but you can if you want. So I'll title this one Knitting Pattern. And just click Send. Now, this will work perfectly if you're sending an email from the email address that you use for your Amazon account. If you want to use a different email address, then you'll need to set that up in your Amazon device details. So go ahead and go back to the list of devices. And at the top, look for Preferences. Click on Preferences, and a bunch of information will show up. You're going to want to scroll down until you see Personal Document Settings. Click on the Personal Document Settings. This will show you the email addresses, both to send email to your Kindle and the email addresses that are allowed to send emails and documents to your Kindle. So scroll down, you'll see your devices and their email addresses, but you'll also see the approved personal document email list. Make sure your email address is listed here in order to be able to send emails to your Kindle. If it's not, just click on the Add a New Email Address and add the email address you want to use to send your patterns to your Kindle. It's as simple as that. And that's it. Once you've sent that email attachment, it'll automatically show up on your Kindle library. So you just have to open up and get ready and go stitch. Have fun and enjoy my other videos for great tips for knitters and crocheters. See you next time.